Ready to promote your business or interest on Facebook? Let's create Facebook page right from your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to create Facebook page on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the Create New Profile or Page option. Now, select the Public Page option and tap on the Next button to proceed to the next step. At the bottom of your screen, tap on the Get Started button to begin setting up your page. Enter the name you want for your Facebook page in the provided field. Tap on the Next button once you have entered the name. Search for and select the category that best describes your page. Tap on it to confirm your selection. Finally, tap on the Create button to officially create your Facebook page. And this is how you can create a Facebook page on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.